Good morning. How you guys doing this morning? All right, guys. Today we're gonna give another update on growing bell pepper in containers. As you can see, guys, this is a big container, and as you see, there's a lot of room still for dirt to add soil in the container. At the same time, this plant is growing a lot of peppers, a lot of blossom, and the tree is just getting wider, the tree is spreading, and it's also getting taller. This is full proof that I know what I'm talking about, growing bell pepper in container. I give the demonstration. I have a series going on. Please check out the series. I'm gonna put the link in the comment in the description with the playlist so you guys can check it out. But this is a next update on the bell pepper. All right, as you can see, guys, everywhere you're gonna see pepper and blossom, lots of blossom everywhere. The tree is just getting huge. Stand there from a distance and look at it. It's getting massive. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Peace, love, and blessing.